Hi, thank you so much for joining. This is Imran, and you are watching Virginia Birdhouse. Today, we will unbox and review our new Copenhagen Birdhouse. This comes in different designs and styles. The unique color and texture adds beauty to it. So let's unbox and see what's inside the box and how it looks like. First, a regular size manual. Oh, wow, it looks beautiful. This is actually two in one. Depending on your need, you can use it as birdhouse or a bird feeder. On right side of the birdhouse, you will see a stainless steel perch which could be folded and unfolded. This is for birds to sit and relax. On the left side, there is another stainless steel perch, and along with it, there is an opening for food in case you want to use it as bird feeder. The opening to the food is on both sides. It is particularly important as different bird species consume different food, so you can mix and match. A miniature size tree, chair, and a very small birdhouse. The fictitious door does not open, but looks beautiful. Two options for entrance size 1.25 and 1.5 inches. With removable protector, and it is almost 5 inches elevated from base of the birdhouse. The roof opens up on one side and it is quite wide inside. Opening to the roof with stainless steel hinges make the birdhouse more ventilated, easy to clean, and is very safe. I'm planning to use it as birdhouse with inside camera, and I'm planning to put it here. Once installed, I will put screws here to safely secure it. Pole, post, wall mountable with a strong hemp rope also can be hung in trees and vines. It is very sturdy, so could hold up to extreme weather conditions, and the maximum load can reach 8 pounds. Copenhagen style outdoor birdhouse with large inside room space. A platform at the base for birds to stand so that they can feed and protect their loved ones. If you like this video, like it. If you love it, subscribe it and press the bell icon. Today, if you learned something new, please share the video with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.